How to update Steam step by step. To update Steam, first of all, you simply have to launch the built-in trigger or update checker within the desktop application. So once you launch the Steam application on your desktop, click on the Steam in the absolute top left corner of the window menu bar. And then select the Check for Steam Clients Update from the drop-down menu. Now, if an update is available, a progress window will appear and download it automatically. Then click Restart Steam when prompted to apply the updates. Or if you are on mobile device, just like me, you simply have to launch your Play Store or App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar, then search for Steam. You will find the application page over here. Now, once you're here, if there is any update, you will find update option instead of the open icon over here. You simply have to tap on it to initiate the update. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.